everybody. Oh my god. Welcome back to my video. It is really hot today. I haven't filmed in like a week because oh my god, I just went up the stairs and I'm so tired. I haven't filmed in a week because I lost my voice and I was sick and I was dying. But here I am and it's a beautiful day today. So I think I'm gonna take my doggy for a walk. It is so pretty. Oh my god, our neighbor's yard though. Nico. Hi baby. Nico, listen, I have something to tell you. Nico, stay there. Stay there. Nico, stay. Sit, baby. Nico, look at me. Look at Nico. Nico, look. Oh my god, that ass. Nico, I have a question. I have a question. Ready? Do you want to go for a... You want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Yes? Yeah? Come on. I'm ready to go, Nico. Oh, who's chunkless? Let's go. Oh my god. We're back in my room. I've been thinking about, I've seen videos where people are putting their beauty blender in like the microwave. This is the only beauty blender I have, so like that's why I haven't done it, and it's cheap anyways. I got it from the drugstore. You know, nobody explained to me the difference between a real beauty blender and a fake one, because isn't it just foam, you know? I'm gonna try. It's not that dirty because I only use foundation and that's it. I don't know anything about contouring or anything about that, but I still want to try it. So I'm gonna do a little more investigating on it because I don't want to mess up, and then I'll try it. So I found out that all you need to do is get a cup of water, put it in the microwave for a minute, and then put your beauty blender in there and then just leave it to cool off, obviously, and then just rinse it off and it should be clean. Hopefully I don't burn this house down, you know? I'm not trying to die. Those sounds though. So I haven't put her into the microwave yet, but as you can see, the water's already kind of dirty. So I think it's going to work. Alright. I feel like something's gonna go wrong for some reason. I don't know why. Should I put this on it? No. Alright. So oh my god, my nails are so ugly, excuse me. 1 minute and oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's almost time. Good night, Dave. I am so ready. I need to get this done because it is 7. Where would the focus? Okay, anyways, it's 7:24, and you know, Hispanics, my novela starts at 8, so gotta get it done. Oh my goodness, it's almost time. Good night, Dave. I am so ready. It's 7:24, and you know, Hispanics, my novela starts at 8, so alright. So I'm not I know, oh my god, what was I gonna say? I'm not really patient, so this is what's happened so far. Oh, bananas. Okay, anyways, here's what's happened so far. Now I'm just gonna rinse it. It's still kind of hot. I'm gonna rinse it. I'm gonna put it in here so it'll make a mess. Let's take it out. That is hot. Oh my gosh, I should have waited. That is so hot. Ew. Okay, that's fucking hot. So I'm rinsing it off in cold water. That is so clean. Oh my gosh. Look at this. That's insane. It's kind of deformed. What the hell? I don't think I'm gonna put it in again because it's already like clean. I don't know how more clean it can get. If you guys haven't tried this, you definitely should. I always feel like someone's watching me. I'm sorry if I keep like turning around. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should try it because that works. So we're back in my room again. The beauty blender thing did work and I recommend that you try it. I don't know if it'll work because this is technically a fake beauty blender, but like it's fine. It went back to its normal shape and everything. This is the end of the video. I'm out of breath. I climbed up the stairs. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe and like the video and comment. Also feel free to comment any video ideas. And for my next video I was thinking of waxing my brother, you know, but I shouldn't have said that because he's the one that edits my videos. But he won't know when it's coming, so it's good. And yeah, maybe I'll be uploading a video in a couple days or next week, but I can't say the date because it's gonna include me waxing my brother. Be courageous as I am putting up videos because I never thought that I would do it, and I think that's gonna be my message. Have courage and don't be shy, and if you want to do something, just do it. Like, it's fine. What's gonna happen? Like a mean comment, it's okay. And yeah, just be confident, you know? And yeah, bye guys.